Hi, my name's Josh. I'm a summer student in the Martin Perlow Courage Family Place, and today we are going to do an experiment with science. So this is the floating images on water experiment. So what you do is you take a dry erase marker, such as this Expo dry erase marker, but once again you can choose other brands as well, most likely. You need some kind of plate, because then you'll be able to see it pretty easily, as well as relatively warm water and something to pour it out of. And you're also going to want one of these to clean up afterwards. So what you do is you just draw on the plate with the marker, and you're supposed to draw lightly on it so that it doesn't stick too much to the plate and will be able to float when the water is poured on. And apparently, if you fill in the space of whatever it is you're drawing, it floats better. So we'll see if that's true. So that's a triangle, kind of, and this is a stick figure. So now that we've drawn the images onto the plate, we just add water to it. That is kind of warm. And here we go. You want to add it slowly and not directly on top of the images. So as you can see, our stick figure is floating. Our triangle is not. Although a little bit of it is kind of flapping up. So I don't know, maybe if we whoa, well there you go. Now we got both images and they're floating. So this time we're going to do a circle. And what else would we do? A rectangle. There we go. Circle, rectangle. There's no tricks here. Just a dry erase marker and kind of warm water. So we drew our image. Now we pour the water slowly, not on top of it. And as you can see, they just take off and float in the water. It's pretty cool. If only I had something I could stir it with. And yeah, you can shift the objects around once they're floating. It's pretty cool. And once again, if you have like a mug, you can press it against it and it will stick to it. And I guess we'll do it once more on this big plate to see if it works in multiple different types of plates. So we take another Expo marker and we draw a line. That one's probably not going to go because I did it a bit too hard onto the plate. This one is going to be another line, and then we'll do a thicker line. And then the letter X. Let's see if any of these float as well. So you draw your drawing on the plate, then you pour the water slowly, but not on top of them, and kind of looks like this second one, the thick one, is kind of a little bit. Little parts of it are kind of floating in the water. I'm not sure if you can see. All right, it's a bit of a disappointing result, but once again, when you do science, you're gonna fail a lot. I would be lying if I said that this was my first try today and it worked. we tried quite a bit and it did not work most of the times. So, you know, trial and error. Anyways, I hope you liked our experiment, and see you next time.